Hi there, I'm Michelle Laverick from Droplet. I'm the Chief Technologist here, and I'm just going to do a very quick demo on Droplet Seamless Apps. So if I restore our core application here, this is the core app that we run with Droplet. For the most part, this application will just sit in the system tray out of the way of the user's eye, and what they'll interact with is something we call a Droplet Seamless app. From the user's perspective, this application looks if it's running natively on the Windows 10 system, but actually it's running inside the container. And the same is true of these legacy Windows apps like Microsoft Excel and so on. So though this is a very old application, these old apps run natively on the Windows system, and the user really has no idea that they're running a Droplet container. So that's the Windows experience for legacy applications. Let me show you what it's like on Apple Mac. So this is the Apple Mac version of our software. Again, I've opened up Notepad running natively on the container. And in this particular case, I'm showing modern applications running inside the system. So I can, on the Apple Mac, run the native version of Excel and things like Word. We've got a number of customers are using this to deliver Windows-based applications that are modern to Apple Mac users for whom there is really no Windows equivalent of that software. But as you can see, it's a very similar experience to the Windows version, a modern application running on an Apple Mac system. Well, I'm now back at the Windows PC, and I switched to our more modern container, which we use when customers want to use us for deploying modern applications. And I've got 2 copies of the command prompt and 2 copies of the control panel up on screen. And it's almost impossible to tell which control panel and which command prompt is coming out of the container, and which command prompt and which control panel is local to the machine. So this is a game that we sometimes play with our partners called Guess the Droplet app, where we try and get them to work out which one is the Droplet application. And it's a bit of a game that we play to sort of show to partners about how what we do is so seamless that often customers and end users have no idea that we're running in a container. The reason I use a command prompt is obviously it's very easy for me to use the command hostname to show you the different computer names inside these command prompts. So you'll see on my left, Michelle's PC is my physical PC, whereas Droplet PC is the container. So the command prompt on the right is the Droplet application. And it's a great example of how seamless we are and how integrated we are to the Windows OS. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.